Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the USB Type-C Edition Vlogger Kit from Rode Microphones. So this little kit right here is going to take your smartphone video making to the next level. Now, huge thanks and shout out to Rode Microphones for sponsoring this video right here. I'm actually going to be giving away one of these kits right here on the channel, and if you want to find out how you can possibly win one of these for yourself, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can find out how to enter that giveaway. But again, this is the USB Type-C edition, so it's only going to be compatible with USB Type-C devices. There is a universal edition as well, which will work with both iPhones and Androids, which I have covered here on the channel. So I'll make sure to link that video down in the description below in case you want to check that out for yourself. But let's go and take a look at this here. So everything that comes in the box is already out right here. I already got it all set up and ready to go, as you can see right here. Starting with the small handheld tripod here at the bottom that of course opens up so you can be able to sit it, on a flat surface, on a table or a desk. Then when you're ready to pick it up and start recording, legs easily fold down just like that so you can easily hold your device, record yourself or record whatever it is behind you. And then plugged into the device is actually a USB Type-C microphone, so you're not having to deal with any wires or trying to remember to bring this USB Type-C adapter anywhere with you. Plugs directly into the device itself. It doesn't fall off because it comes with this rubber clip, keeping it nice and secure on your phone, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. You just plug it in, you're ready to go. And then the phone holder itself is of a metal build, feeling nice and premium, coming with rubber on the inside, so you don't have to worry about your device falling out of this thing. It's going to keep it in there nice and secure. And then up here at the top is a very, very bright light that does come with color filter. So let me go ahead and show you there. I actually have the white color filter on there right now to kind of block the light from being too bright, but it definitely gets super bright. So in this little casing right here are a bunch of color filters that it comes with. We got green, we got red, we got another type of green, we got orange, yellow, blue, another type of red. So you can see, you can switch these out to see which one you like best. You can mess around with it just to change up the overall picture of your video. And then we get a windshield for your microphone. So if you're outside, it's windy, this is going to be able to block out that wind. So that way the microphone is catching just your voice itself. You don't have to worry about any extra noise getting into the sound. And then we also have a USB Type-C wire right here, so you can be able to charge the light that comes with this kit. But yeah, this is the overall kit. The way it looks right here definitely makes it very easy to vlog if you're a daily vlogger, or even if you're not a vlogger, if you're just recording whatever it is, this is definitely going to take your video recording to the next level when it comes to recording videos on your smartphone. But let's go ahead and test this out. All right, so I am now recording on my smartphone, got the whole rig set up here, got that USB Type-C microphone plugged in. So let me know how well my voice is coming through that microphone. It's a little bit echoey here in the room, so not really sure if it's picking up that echo or not. Y'all let me know what you think about overall sound quality down in the comment sections below. Now I'm also using that LED light up at the top, so I'm gonna go over here to the darker corner of the room so we can check out the settings. It does have 4 settings. Currently on setting number 1 of brightness. This is setting number 2, number 3, and number 4. Woo, that is bright. I gotta take it back down to number 1 because this 4, well here, look, this is what it's gonna look like when you're on that 4th setting. Definitely very bright. I probably wouldn't use that 4th setting unless I have the phone maybe a bit further away from me, maybe set down on a table somewhere and I'm standing a little bit back further away in a really dark room. But it is really cool that they do include this in the box, because when you're recording at night, quality isn't always the best, especially when recording on your smartphone. So the fact that we have this light to kind of keep that quality up is definitely a very good thing. So really glad that they did include that with this kit right here. But yeah, so this is the overall kit that I'm currently using with my smartphone. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to let me know what you think about that sound quality coming from the microphone. All right, so there it is, the USB Type-C edition vlogging kit from Rode Microphones. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am giving one of these kits away here on the channel. All you got to do to enter is just simply leave a huge thumbs up on this video right here. Comment down below something that you like about this vlogging kit right here. What would you use it for? Also, go follow me and Rode Microphones on Twitter. I'll leave our links down in the description below. And that's it. 1 week from today, July 12th, I will be getting in contact with the winner. I will be announcing them. So make sure you keep an eye out for your comment. Make sure to keep an eye out for your Twitter. in case you happen to possibly win and you don't miss out on that. Good luck to everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Also, if you're not really entering the giveaway, you still find yourself interested in this kit right here, I have a link for this down in the description below as well. But thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.